Hey guys, so today we're going to be continuing on. Now, I know that I'm putting this up late, but this is still going to be like January inventory, okay? So let's just ignore the date because I will be doing another one of these soon. So yeah, we're doing body care today. So I've got 4 categories. I've got like body wash, which is like, you know, shower gel, shower oil, that kind of stuff. Then I've got whipped soap, shower jellies, scrub, and moisturizer slash like body oil kind of thing. Actually, sorry, I've put whipped soap and shower jelly together, so maybe I'll just do that. I feel like they're kind of similar. Okay, so first I'm going to show you what I'm currently using in the shower, which there is a lot of, and then we'll go through like all the new stuff. So yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, so yeah. Let's start with, these are like body washes. So this is currently what I have in the shower. I'm sure you can imagine my shower is overfilled at the moment, so I need to use some of these up. But anyway, I've got a Sol de Janeiro. I don't actually love this one so much. I feel like it just smells too creamy or something. Like, yeah, I don't know. It's not my favourite scent from them. Like, it's still alright, but anyway. I've got the, like, the classic, I guess. This one from Hideaway, Black Sugar. I really love it. It smells like Black Opium from YSL. I've got this Bath & Body Works Sunshine Mimosa. I don't love that one. I've got the In the Stars from Bath & Body Works. We also have Everlasting Magic from Bath & Body Works. I really like that one. Got a Mary Cherry Cheer from Bath & Body Works. And a Raspberry Jam Donut. This is the Hideaway Shower Mousse, the Pistachio Paradise one. It smells like Sol de Janeiro, it's really nice. Soap and Glory, this is the Clean On Me Hydrating Body Wash. I don't love the smell though. Oh! Smelling it out of the shower, it smells really nice. So, I don't know. Anyway, Intergalactic from Lush. I've got a Lord of Misrule from Lush. A Berry Berry Christmas from Lush. I've got a little Pink Grapefruit from The Body Shop. And then last but not least, I've got a Regret Remover from P. Louise. This is like the biggest body wash ever. This is 800 mils. So anyway, so those are my body washes in the shower at the moment. So 15 there. So 15 opened body wash. Now onto like shower jellies and whipped soaps. I've got quite a few from Lush. So this is the Triantula shower jelly. It smells like cherries, so I don't know why I bought it, but it's gross. I like this one from Lush, the Gummy Bear. The shower jellies just last forever. Like, they're so hard to use up. This is the Toil and Trouble. It's actually a sugar scrub, but I've used all the scrubs, so I've just got the little shower jellies left in there. Little Monster Octopus. Here There Be Dragons. This is fun. So this is a little bit different. This is like moldable soap, but I'm just keeping it in this category as well. I've got the I Believe in Unicorns fun. I've got the Light Sheer Guava Sorbet from Hideaway whipped soap. Princess Peach shower jelly from Lush. And then I've also got my Sunday Juicy Pear whipped shower foam, so that can go in this category as well. And there is 9 of those. Body scrub, I've only got 2 at the moment. Got the little P. Louise You Scrub Up Well. This one is in the birthday cake scent. Oh, it smells so good. It kind of annoys me that it doesn't say what scent it is. Like, obviously you can see it's got little cakes on it, but like, I still like to, like, for it to be written there. Anyway, then I've also got the Black Sugar one from Hideaway, which once again smells like Black Opium from YSL. So I really like those. But yeah, body scrubs is something that I definitely go through super quick, and I don't have a whole lot of them, so got 2 of those. Moisturizer. I've got Frosted Coconut Snowball, Everlasting Magic, Snowy Citrus Swirl, and those ones are from Bath & Body Works. This one from Victoria's Secret, this is called Aqua Kiss. I've got 2 of the Sol de Janeiro, I don't know how to say it, is it Beija Flor? I have no idea, but I've got like a small one and a big one. I've got one of these little P. Louise All Over Body Glows, which I'm just going to keep with like moisturisers, I think. I've got a little Soul Shimmering Dry Oil from Colourpop. This one's in Pink Champagne. I have the Pink Candy Body Butter Oil from Hideaway. And I've also got a Pink Candy Body Custard, also from Hideaway. I swear I have more opened moisturisers, to be honest. I think I have 2 more. I've got one that's in my like new collection thing, and also another one from Hideaway. So that brings us to, so I'll add those 2 on. I don't know where they are at the moment, but anyway. So 12 total opened moisturisers. So next up I have new stuff that like I want to use first, kind of thing. So I'll just quickly sort that into categories. So it's mainly like moisturising kind of products, to be honest. We have 2 from Hideaway, 2 body custards from Hideaway. We've got a Body Shop Shea, which I honestly think that I'm going to get rid of that. There's this body custard from the Body Shop. Oh, that smells so good. I've got all of these like shimmering dry oils from Sol, which I will get around to using. Like, it's just like finding the time to use them, I guess. I've got a P. Louise All Over Body Glow, and then I've also got this one. This is the C body lotion. Smells so good. I love C. And then we've got some more from Colourpop or Sol. So, oh, and also another one from Hideaway. So yeah, so there's 12 there, and then we've also got these. So these are all from Lush. I have 2 Things of Fun. I've got Blue and Witch's Cauldron, which they feel dried up, so hopefully when I put them, in the shower, like, it's fine. And then I've got 2 shower jellies, one in Sparkly Pumpkin and the other one in Bowser, which I honestly don't think I like this Bowser scent. Yeah, it's just my favourite. I don't know if I'll ever get around to using it, like, but it's out of date now, so I feel like I can't give it to someone else, do you know what I mean? So I don't know, I guess I'll just wait and see. But there's 4 of those. So yeah, those are the things that I want to use first. Next we will go on to, I think we'll do like body wash and shower jellies and stuff first. So this is all of this. So I'm just going to quickly sort them into their categories. Okay, I think that it's just these ones that are the shower jellies and stuff, and then the rest of it's like shower gels. So these are all from Lush. I have a big one of the Princess Peach shower jelly. I love this scent so much, so I've already got the small one, but I've also got a big one as well. This is C and B Scene Rose Scented Body Wash. This is the Bridgerton one. Oh, it smells absolutely incredible. I just realised this said it's body wash. Is it not like a shower jelly? I feel like it's not a shower jelly. Okay, well that can stay then. I've got the Jingle Jelly, shower jelly, and then also a Bronze Fun. So the full category for like unopened shower jellies and like whip soaps and stuff is 7. So that's not too bad. But then we get on to shower gels, so alright. I've got this one from Dusk. I've got these shower mousses from Hideaway. This is also from Dusk. Obviously there's this Lush one. Okay, I've got quite a few from the Body Shop. And this is why I've literally banned myself from buying any more like shower gels and stuff. I've got more Lush ones. Oh god. That's another Body Shop. Then I've got some from Glass House. Something's leaking in here, I don't know what it is. I've got a Way one. I've got a couple from L'Occitane. That's an MCO Beauty one. P. Louise. I've got a couple of Hideaway. And then I've got my Bath and Body Works collection. So as you can see, I have way too many shower gels. And I've also got this one as well from Hideaway, which like I feel like it doesn't close properly, which is annoying. So let's just count them. Okay, 35 there. So 35 unused like body washes, along with the 15 in my shower. I've got 50 body washes. Like, I just feel like I probably do not need that many. Oh gosh. Okay, so that's that category done. Alright, next we have body scrubs, which honestly I have a lot more than I thought. Okay, so I have a couple from Frank Body. I've got this one from Soap and Glory. This is one of my all-time favourites. Love it. I've got another one of the Emco Beauty ones. I have this from Maylis. I have the Lush Orange Body Scrub. This from Dusk, the Dolce, I can't say it, Dolce Delici. And also the Watermelon and Lemonade from Dusk. I have one from Rituals. I love Rituals. And I've got these two from the Sparketheri, Pink Lemonade and also Peach Raspberry. I really like these scrubs, I've used them before. I've got a Hideaway one and also a Ossia, I think it's called. So yeah, scrubs aren't as bad, but I've still got a few. But I feel like I honestly go through scrubs like a lot quicker than anything else. So 13 scrubs. Now we have moisturiser, which may be worse than body wash. So let's see. Okay, I've got these two from P. Louise. This is one from Maylis. I have a few from Bath and Body Works. I love my Bath and Body Works ones, they're so good. So yeah, I've got those. This is a hand cream, but I'm honestly going to use it as a body lotion. Like, I've got a few from Lush. I've got two Once Upon a Times, which I actually love so much, which honestly they're probably very out of date by now, but anyway. And I've also got one Celebrate. I've got a couple of Sol de Janeiros. I've got the new one, what's it called? Well, it's not new anymore. The Delci Drench, whatever it is. I've got two Bum Bums. I've got the Emco one. I have one from Kiehl's. This is from Dusk. I've got a few of these Hideaway ones. These are the, what do you call it, like the Sol de Janeiro dupes. I've also got this Hideaway one, and then also a body butter oil from Hideaway. I've got two from Glass House. I've got another Sol de Janeiro. This is the oil. And then I've also got another one from Maylis. So, okay, so 27 there, along with the 12 that we already had. So 39. I'm just going to add up the body care totals and then we will be done. Okay, so for opened we have 40 and for unopened we have 94, which then brings us to a total of 134. So yeah, I think the next video I'm going to do hair and fragrance, I think. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!